Hello, I'm Shubham, and in this video, we're covering a quick and powerful topic, using the no-code SDK in PLG OS. If you're using a web builder or a platform that doesn't easily support frameworks like React or Flutter, the no-code SDK is your best friend. From your PLG OS dashboard, navigate to the left-hand sidebar. Click on the Campaigns section. This brings you to your list of My Campaigns. Find the specific campaign you want to embed. On the right side of the campaign entry, click the menu icon, the 3 vertical dots. From the drop-down menu, select View. This opens the campaign editor. Inside the campaign editor, look for the code format section on the left. Click the drop-down menu below Code Format. Select the No-Code option. The window will instantly update to show the exact JavaScript script tailored for your specific campaign and account. You can now simply copy this entire script. Paste this script into your website or web builder where you want the campaign to load, and that's it. By selecting the no-code SDK, you get a universal snippet to easily embed your campaigns without needing any complex framework integration. Do you have any questions about which platforms this works best on? Let me know in the comments below.